All right, so now let's talk about cups. So cups, again, in tea come in different sizes and different materials. What you're probably going to be considering in terms of what cups to use if you're serving people is the size of your pot. If you have generally a medium-sized pot and you have 3 guests, you might use smaller cups to serve them. If I'm using that same pot, but there's only 1 guest, maybe that guest will get this cup. It comes down to that also, there's some personal preference too. Another thing that is going to be different about cups is the amount of heat they dissipate over time. So this particular cup has very thin walls, and so tea will cool down very quickly in this cup, which is a consideration in terms of what types of tea you're drinking. Some teas you want to cool down quickly, and some you want to stay warmer. So this is the same size cup, but has thicker walls, so we'll keep the tea warmer longer. To be honest, this isn't something that I really focus on in my tea ceremonies. Generally speaking, I'm pretty much always pulling out cups of this size and putting them out in front of people no matter what. And I think these cups are very standard sizes for doing gung fu tea. So personally, I haven't gotten too crazy in the area of cups, but there's a whole world out there, just like everything in tea. Now, some of you may be looking at this cup and maybe remembering what I said about pots and saying, well, wait a second, do I want to use that cup for only specific teas because clay absorbs the liquid into it and over time will be seasoned from certain teas? Now, that would be true, except that what you want to look at with cups is just make sure that it's glazed on the inside. So you'll see here, the clay isn't actually exposed on the inside of this pot. It's glazed within, so you're not going to have that absorptive quality with this cup as you do with a pot, which is unglazed on the inside. So it's a good thing to ask about and consider, but generally speaking, when you're buying your cups, get them glazed on the inside so that they can be used for any type of tea and you don't have to worry about it.